Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in Capcut on PC. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Capcut and select the video clip with the green screen. So now I want to remove the green screen from this cat. So you need to select the video clip here. Go on to the cutout section, click on chroma key, and from here you need to click on color picker and select anywhere wherever you find the green color, and then you need to increase the strength from here like this. And if you want, you can add shadow in it as well, so it will look more real. So here you can see the final result. Because the video quality is not 4K, so that's why you are facing some edges here. But if you have a good quality video, you will not face this issue. So this is a process how you can remove green screen in Capcut on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.